Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a poll on Messenger. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Messenger app. Okay, next step, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just enter, for example, let's say for example this chat. All right, so what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see below left, you're gonna see multiple options, and you're gonna just click plus. Okay, and here you're gonna see location, and you're gonna see next to it a poll kind of thing, right? So we're gonna start creating our poll, like what to eat for, breakfast. Okay, and question mark, and you're gonna add option maybe oatmeal. Okay, and if you want to add another option, eggs or fried eggs, that's an example. Okay, eggs. Okay, and from there, if you want to add a third option, you can just add the third option. If you want this just to those two, you're just gonna go ahead and create a poll right here. Okay, and now you just created a poll, and you're gonna wait until someone votes on one of these two options. Okay, and afterwards, if you want to vote, you're gonna just submit your option. If it was in a group, or with more than one people, you can actually make people participate in that poll. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you